Maple syrup's a sick addiction. You start making syrup and then you need more trees, and then you get more trees, you need a bigger evaporator, you need a bigger evaporator, you need bigger ROs. It's a continual process. My love for maple syrup is from my father, and the desire to grow that business, I don't know where that came from. We built the business in my father's backyard, and it just got too big. I like to jokingly say I was evicted. I think we're known for bourbon barrel-aged maple syrup probably more than anything. We're really good at that part of the business. We make it for a lot of different people. Yeah, we're a maple syrup packager as well. So the three types of business all work together. Making syrup gives us credibility with the farmers. Selling equipment gives us credibility and access to maple syrup to complete customer orders. I'm just fortunate enough that we were able to become a leader dealer, and the network of the dealerships is so valuable. There's history there. These people have been in business 25, 30 years, 35 years. They're established. So because their businesses are credible, the maple farmers and the credibility we have with the dealer network, man, it's so valuable to our business. The maple syrup business is a humbling business. We've had some awesome successes where I just couldn't believe the things that were happening to us. And we've had struggles as well where you couldn't believe that the things were happening to us. But as long as you just continue to fight through and rely on each other, letting go of things was very difficult for me. It was also the cause of a lot of issues. But letting go is also why our success is we've been able to scale the business.